out here. Couple of losers stinking up the woods. Holy crap. Look at his face.
He's a freak.
Jesus, I've never seen anything that ugly in my life.
Maybe it's an orc.
Dude, let's go.
Go where? Hey, talking to you, Gollum. Is this the one master rule them all?
My precious. Hey, what's your problem?
Your boyfriend's my problem.
Hey, leave him alone.
What are you gonna do about it? Get out of my way.
No.
I said get out of my way.
I said no.
Yo, Jack, what's up, man? What's this, more little freaks? What, you call us hick? Come on, prep boy. Guys, stop! Guys, stop it! Guys, stop! Guys, stop! Please, stop! Just go!
Oh, man. Dude, come on. Let's go. Let's get out. Are you okay? Dude, you're bleeding. What was that? Something's coming. Amos? Yeah. Over here! Amos, come on! They follow you?
I think we lost him.
Whoa.